If you own a gaming PC or laptop that runs in Windows 11, it's very possible that yours OS not optimized. You need this optimization to improve performance and reduce input delay. And yes, this OS guide will benefit any PC. Quick 100% safe and no additional downloads or installation required. So without wasting time, let's start with the first settings that you have to go to the device manager. For that, just right click on the start, then you will get a menu here, and from here just select device manager. Now from here just look for system devices, just expand it, and from here just look for high precision timer. You can see it here, high precision timer. So most gamers do is just right click on this and then disable it. So click on yes, and now just close this window. And next what you have to do is you have to open the run option. Just right click and you will get the option here, run. Now from here just type in temp and click on OK. This folder shows all your temporary Windows files, and you have to select all these files and have to delete it. Some files might not go because they are currently running. That doesn't matter, you can leave that files. Now again close this and come back and again open the run and then type in percentage temp percentage. This will open more temp files from the local area. Then you have to do the same process here. Select all and then delete it. Then you can close down this window. Now the next thing what you have to do is again you have to go to the run and then type prefetch. And then click on OK. Now go ahead and select all those and then delete it. Some files may not be able to delete because they are open. Doesn't matter, you can skip those files and then you can close down this window. Now the next thing you have to do is go to the start, from there to the settings. Now from here you can search for power options. Here you will get power, sleep and battery settings. Just open it. Now just look for the power mode and just click on it and change it to better performance when it is plugged in. And on battery also you can change it to best performance. But remember that on best performance the battery will drain too fast. So make sure that you are aware of it. Now next what you have to do is just go to the start. From here just search for power plans, POWER plans. You will get the power plan settings here. Just open it. Now here you can see that there are many various power plans available. The Boost PC is the one which I have created and the Ultimate Performance is the other one which have been created for my gaming purpose. I'll show you how you can do that, but before that just go to click choose what closing the lid does. Now from here you will be able to see few options here, that shutdown settings which you will not be able to access right now. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So this is already enabled. If it is not enabled, what you have to do is to click on the change settings that are currently unavailable, and now you will be able to turn it on and off. Now it's advisable to turn this on. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So once that is done, you have to click on Save Changes. Now once that is done, and you have to restart your PC to make that effective, and you will be able to notice that if you go to Task Manager and if you go to Performance, once that is set and restarted, this uptime, here what you see, this is the uptime, this will come to 0. This will go back to 0. So you can notice that once you restart the system. Now by default your power plan may be set as balanced, and if you have an ultimate power plan, just select that. Now to create a new power plan, you can click on create a new power plan and give the name and create it. I have already created a power plan, that is Boost PC. Now I will show you the settings. Just click on change power settings and then click change advanced power settings. This is the area where you create a custom power plan. Now here, just click on this PC Express, just open it and click on and expand link state power management. Now change this to off and both turn it to off. So this is the first thing you have to do. Then now just click on processor power management and expand it and make sure that it is on 100%. Now once that is done, click apply and click on OK. You can close down this window and again, and next you have to go to the settings, and from here just go to the storage. If you don't see the storage here, you can search for the storage. You'll get the storage settings here. And the first thing you have to do is to make sure that the storage sense is turned on. You have to turn this on. Now if you go to expand it, you can configure it. When this storage sense need to be run, I'll change it to run every week. Now from here, search for advanced system settings. Just open it. And from here, just go to performance. Just click on settings. From here, just select adjust for best performance. If you want a custom setting, then click on this custom and make sure to enable whichever you require. Now these are the few things which is important, that is enable peak. The second one is show thumbnails instead of icons and show Windows contents while dragging and smooth edges of screen font. These are the necessary things, and once that is done, click on apply. Now after that, just go to advanced tab. Now just make sure that this is enabled, that is program is enabled for adjust for the best performance and not the background services. Once that is done, you can close down this. Now from here, just go and look for mouse options, mouse settings, and from here, just make sure that enhanced pointer precision is turned on. Now once that is done, just go to personalization, and now from here just look for colors, just expand it, and from here just make sure that you turn off transparency effects. Now after that, just go to apps. Now go down and look for startup apps, just open it. Now make sure that you disable all the unwanted apps which you do not want to run in the startup, because it will consume a lot of resources from your system. Now once that is done, just go to the gaming, and from here just make sure that you turn off the game bar. So just turn this off both, And now go back and open game mode and make sure that you turn this on. Now after that, just go and open the graphics settings. Now make sure that you turn on the optimization for windowed games. Now here in the next section, you can see that custom setting for the application. And from here, go down and add the app which you want to assign the GPU. For example, if you click on the drop down, you can see that there are options related to GPU preference, and add your game into this section. Click on the GPU preference and select it to high performance graphics. Same way you can do with rest of your games and applications. Just open privacy and security, and from here just go to general. Make sure that you turn off all these options. This is absolutely unnecessary, so just leave it off. So this will definitely improve your performance of your PC for gaming. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.